Is the Honda CB200X the perfect entry-level adventure bike? Let's explore this question. The Honda CB200X, a machine designed for those with an adventurous spirit, is powered by a 4-stroke SI engine, BS6, with a displacement of 184.4 cc and a peak power of 17.26 PS at 8,500 revolutions per minute. It promises a thrilling ride. The maximum torque of 15.5 nanometers at 6,000 revolutions per minute ensures the bike responds to your commands with precision. The CB200X features a manual transmission with a multi-plate wet clutch and a 5-speed gearbox. The air cooling system ensures that the engine stays in optimal condition but might not work for long rides. And the fuel injection system guarantees efficient fuel usage. For those keen on details, the bike comes with a digital instrument console which includes a speedometer, tachometer, tripmeter, and odometer. Additional features like LED winkers and a hazard switch add to its charm and functionality. The bike also features a split-seat type, an adjustable windscreen, and an engine kill switch. In terms of dimensions, the CB200X has a width of 843mm, a length of 2035mm, and a height of 1248mm. The fuel capacity of 12 liters only might stop you frequently on long journeys. The saddle height of 810mm and a ground clearance of 167mm have been designed keeping in mind both comfort and practicality. But 167mm ground clearance is bit to talk about if it's an adventure bike. The CB200X, weighing in at a curb weight of 147 kilograms, is not just about power and performance, it's also about safety. The bike comes equipped with disc brakes at both ends, with a front brake diameter of 276mm and a rear brake diameter of 220mm. The single-channel ABS is provided. However, many riders might prefer dual-channel ABS in this segment. The suspension system is advanced as well, with an upside-down front fork and a monoshock at the rear. But the front suspension travel is 130mm only, which is not enough for a true adventure tourer segment. Tire sizes for the front and rear are 110/70/17 and 140/70/17 respectively, mounted on alloy wheels. The frame of the bike is a diamond type, providing rigidity and balance. Now, how does this compare with the Honda Hornet 2.0? Both bikes share a lot of similarities, but there are key differences that set them apart. In conclusion, the Honda CB200X, with its unique features, is a bike that promises both adventure and reliability. It's a bike that could well be the perfect entry-level adventure bike for many, but not for those who want to start to go advance on same bike. Because the specs does not go for the hardcore adventure. Whether it's worth buying or not, that's a decision only you can make. After all, the perfect bike is not just about specifications, it's about how it makes you feel when you ride it. We hope you enjoyed this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with these bikes. Who do you think comes out on top? Drop your opinions in the comments below. Your insights and experiences make our community richer and more informed. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, share it with your fellow bike enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until next time, remember, keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up. Ride safe.